Before you proceed to watch this live trading video, please understand that you will have to watch first 3 videos in order to understand the strategy that you're about to see. So please go to my channel here on YouTube and click on the playlists, and now click on Forex Scalping Strategies. Now, once you click on it, you will have here many videos that you have got to watch first, including these 2 right here, the magic of trend lines part 1 and part 2, and don't forget to follow it later with the magic of Fibonacci scalping strategies. Watching these videos is highly important to understand the strategy that I'm offering here on my channel for free. And mainly, of course, you will have to watch this one right here, because this is the main core of the strategy. These other 3 videos right here will help you to improve this strategy right here. So please watch them first in order to understand what I'm doing right here, and you can also apply it later. Hello and welcome on this new live trading video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly leave a comment and share the video. And right now we are going to start our trades. Of course, I will explain to you, my friends, the reason behind of this trade, but let me make sure that it's actually gonna be a correct one. And I just need to confirm it's a good trade indeed. Sure enough, yes, we can place. No, 1.2 is too much for the pound CHF. 0.9 or 0.85 should be fine, and place right now the buy order, and not risk more than $100 in this trade. Exactly $100, maybe 120, and targeting, of course, $150. All right, so again, welcome on this new live trading video from Xtreme Trader. And of course, I would like to explain to you first the reason behind choosing this signal, or actually this trade, sorry. So first of all, what I have seen here on the 1 hour time frame is right now the pound CHF is actually right here, my friends, on a support level, as we can see right now. Remember, right now we are talking about an upper trend, and that means that this level of a previous key support level, it became here a resistance, but only for once. So meaning here we have a resistance number 1 only with 1 attempt, and instantly when the market attempted a second attempt of the resistance, it instantly broke out from it, which means that level of a broken resistance has become here a support. And right now we can see that the market indeed rising above that level of a previous support right here, and right now again that level of a support most likely is gonna be respected. Now, of course, we had to confirm this again with the trend lines, and as you can see right here, we have, of course, an upper trend, and it seems to me like the pound CHF is indeed respecting that trend line, and the bullish movement here is strong. It's a clear upper trend, and of course the market will continue the rise most likely till it reach at least the highest level of a resistance at 1.120. However, what I have seen here on the 4 hour time frame is confirming the same. Now we can see a very clear level here of the support. It became a resistance for once, and again the same level became here a support as well. So everything confirms that this level of a previous support right here is indeed becoming a new support. That was, of course, the new support, and right here is the old support. So again, if you guys want to understand better about this strategy, please refer to my old videos about the 20 pips a day strategy, which I have shown in the beginning of this video. Now, let me just apply the Fibonacci. I'm sure it will work. The Fibonacci will confirm us this trade. I mean, we don't really need it, since the trend lines has indeed confirmed it to me. Check this out, fantastic. We placed our buy order exactly at Fibonacci 50, which actually again confirms that this was indeed a good trade, and the market has just reversed from Fibonacci 38.2, which means now it will continue the rise till at least Fibonacci 61.8, which is actually our take profit level. Now, of course, I did not set my take profit level because of the Fibonacci. I placed it right here simply because this is the nearest level of a resistance to my entry. So my philosophy in trading is just simply like that. Open your trade on a new support or a resistance, and then exit your trade right on the nearest level of a resistance or a support to your entry. So of course, this level of a previous support is where I have originally placed my trade, and now this is of course the nearest level of a resistance to my entry. Therefore that has got to be my take profit level, and my stop loss was placed right there for investment reasons. I don't want to risk more than $120 in this trade. However, I'm targeting $150 from this trade. Actually, I did not withdraw any money from the last week. That's why today you can see that my account is actually growing. Finally, I'm starting to trade above 5,000. So I'm actually pushing it right now. I believe in my skills and I believe I can reach $10,000. I really hope I can do it, and I will try my best to achieve this target one day. So I think now it's the time that we should actually try to reach the account to $10,000. Anyway, let me know, please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later once we are done with this trade. And the trade is running in a very, very good profit, my friends. So far, running in around 12 pips of profit, equivalent to $120. And let's close it in profit. And we are done with this trade. $120. That was really good. I'm so happy with it. Great beginning of the week. Great beginning of the week. So nice. I mean, wow, $120 in one trade. Oh my God. Wow, that's a lot of money. I'm so happy. Actually, to be honest with you, I was actually watching my phone, reading the WhatsApp messages. It was, I mean, look at that. I mean, look at the 1 minute time frame. It just went up around 7 pips in just 3 minutes, or 2 minutes, sorry, 2 minutes only. The trade was running in around $50 only, and I was just waiting for it to be in profit. Then I look at the screen, oh my God, 120, close it. So it was indeed a good trade. I'm so happy with it. All right, my friends, I'm so excited. I think the market today is really good. Back to 1 hour time frame. By the way, I know some of you might not know how to switch between the pairs very fast. I have seen some comments on YouTube. If you want to switch fast between the pairs, just simply click and hold, for example, USD, press and hold the right click on the mouse button, drag it like that, and release the button. Pew, like that. I'm just doing it very fast. That's it. So, things seems to be good. Let me please now pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you once I open the next trade. So another setup has been found on the NZDJPY, and I can actually increase right now the lot size to be 1.2. And let's now be ready. And yes, go more down. 5 minute time frame. Of course, I will explain to you the reason behind of this trade. Just give me a moment. Give me a moment, my friends, just to be sure. I just found this setup right here, just now, actually. Yes. Oh my God, I'm so late. I'm so late. 1 second. No need to risk more than $90, I think. $99 is fine. I'm so late. Okay, so first of all, why did I open the trade right here? And by the way, notice my entry. It was perfect again because I'm using IC Markets, which actually, in my opinion, is the best Forex broker in the world. And actually, I have been using their service since 2016. And so far, absolutely zero problems. Daily chart, my friends. Look at the daily chart. So right now, I have switched right now to the daily chart on the NZDJPY. And as we can see, the pair has actually reversed right exactly from that level of a key support. And that's fantastic. So my strategy is all about this. Look always at the bigger time frames, such as daily or even 4 hour time frame. And then, this is 4, by the way, all right? So we can see here clearly that we have, of course, based on the daily chart, a strong key level of a support. Now, that level of a support has indeed been broken out from with that bearish breakout candle, and here became last week as a resistance. But last week also on Thursday, we can notice here a bullish breakout candle. Then Friday candle was actually another bullish candle. And now Monday's candles seems like it's actually respecting, or actually, sorry, yeah, it's respecting and retesting the same level of that support. So meaning right now, NZDJPY seems to be good to be bought. Now, so confirming the direction based on the 4 hour time frame as well, we can notice clearly that we had right here, of course, a real level of a support that indeed has been respected. Fantastic. So everything seems to be normal and good based on daily and 4 hour time frame. The direction seems to be bullish. Now, by moving, however, to the 15 minute time frame, now we can notice here something. Exactly. Look at that. We're running in profits already. Okay. I'm so happy with the profits. Right now, we can see that we had here, of course, a real level of a support. And look at that. After the bearish breakout happened based on the 15 minute time frame, by the way, daily chart and 4 hour time frame, we decide the direction if it's going to be upper or down. then you move to the smaller time frame, such as 15-minute time frame or even 30-minute time frame, to find your entry. Where exactly do you want to trade or enter your trade? We are running in good profits, my friends. I'm so happy with it. Okay. What happened is, after the bearish breakout happened right here, the market created here a new level of resistance, but only for one simple attempt, which instantly been broken out from. And right now, that level of a real support is indeed being respected again. I mean, that level of a support is being respected again right here. That's the reason I was late to enter this trade. I actually was supposed to enter right here, but I was just making sure of my trade. So, you know why I'm so excited? Because when I was employed back in the days, that was my daily salary, $100 per day. That's my salary. I'm telling you the truth. That was my income. And I'm so happy making this right now from one single trade. Right now, I'm just fully full-time trader. And I'm so excited remembering the old days when I was employed. And I'm just feeling so excited that I'm making right now from my trade exactly what I was doing or actually making in a whole day, 8 hours working per day. I made it in just 10 minutes on trading Forex. That's amazing. Anyway, I think we can close it in profit soon. Of course, I have chosen this level as of my deck profit level because this is the nearest level to my entry. Of course, the nearest level of a resistance to my entry as a new support. And the stop loss was placed right there for investment reasons, and also because we are fully relying on that level of a support. So if the market will be able to reach that stop loss, it means that this trade is no longer valid. Okay, so now the candle is losing some strength. Okay, I was just so excited. Let's see what will gonna happen. 1 minute time frame. We can actually depend on the 1 minute time frame that the market is going to reverse right from this level of a resistance after retesting it. Hopefully, it will continue the rise. Oh, now I wish I closed it in profit before that. Oh my God. I hope it will not lose it. Anyway, let me please now pause the recording and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. So unfortunately, I was so excited about this trade. It doesn't seem to be good at all, to be honest. Even 1 minute time frame is not so promising. I was hoping for a reversal right here at that level of a previous resistance, but the trade is just going against us. So far, we're losing around $58. Let's see. Actually, I'm going to place my stop loss just right there, risking $90. If the trade will be able actually to go below that level of a previous key level of a support, then this trade is most likely not valid anymore, and we have to consider it as loss. Let's consider right now that this 30-minute time frame still has around 10 minutes for the closure, but I still believe that the market will actually hit our stop loss before even expiring the candle. I was so excited. I thought I'm making money with this trade, but unfortunately, no, we are losing. Anyway, my friends, let me please now pause the recording and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. Yeah, I mean, maybe no need to wait. The bearish momentum is very strong here right now. It will hit our stop loss, I think. Again, sorry. I know this part is boring, but I'm just hoping for the best, honestly. All right, again, guys, I will pause the recording. All right, so now it's time to abandon this trade, and let's now close it in $71 of loss. That's totally fine. Even if it's gonna be in profit later, I don't care at all, because I actually really don't trust it, my friends. The price action here is so much promising right now for the bearish fall. This candle still has around 4 minutes for the closure. So, I mean, even if it's going to be in profit later, I don't care, as long as I have got out with from this trade with minimum loss. So, yeah, it's normal. It's normal that we lose. And actually, this is my reply to those who think that Salah only showing the profits. No, we also sometimes lose. However, I will wait now for 4 minutes. Pound GPY right now with the current price action seems to be good to be shorted, but only if the candle gonna close like this. So I will just now pause the recording and I will wait 4 minutes, then I will resume the recording and I'll be back to you. I actually couldn't wait. Fibonacci here showing us that the market has reversed from 38.2. Even with the resistance trend line, as we can see here, the market has indeed actually respected that level of a resistance trend line. Here it became a resistance trend line 1, 2, and then became a support trend line 1 and 2 as well. And right now became here a resistance trend line 1 and 2, and reverse also from 38.2 Fibonacci retracement. So that is actually a good time to start shorting the pound GPY. 1.2 lot size, no, that's too much. I'm going to use one lot size only on the pound GPY. I want to risk only $80 in this trade. The candle right now is reversing. Actually, we can, based on the 5-minute time frame, choose a better level to sell the pair, which is going to be right here exactly at the peak of the resistance at 190.165. So on bigger time frames such as 1 hour time frame, it shows actually a strong, or actually a good level to start shorting the market. However, the smaller time frame such as 5-minute right here is telling us that the market indeed going to continue the fall, because the pound GPY has actually made a bearish breakout from that level of a support trend line, as we can see. But it's actually going to be better to just wait a little bit more till the market reach that level of a key resistance right here, and that will be actually a better level to short this pair. So let me just wait, my friends, a few minutes, and I'll be back to you later to show you once I open this trade. Alright, so the pound GPY is showing actually a very strong bearish momentum, and I'm going to place now the sell order, and done. Fantastic. Done. Fantastic. Place my stop loss right here exactly, and take profit level to be right here. So right now, actually, my friends, we are hoping for the market to reverse, and hopefully we will recover the losses. Now remember that we are actually have here a broken level of a support trend line, and by looking at the candle right now, we can notice here that the market has already retested that level of a broken support trend line. And with the current price action here, plus of course the bearish momentum on the pound GPY, it's really strong right now, and the market right now seems like it has no hope for the bullish momentum at all. The momentum is just so strong as bearish, and most likely it will continue the fall to hit the nearest level of a key support based on the 5-minute time frame. That is exactly what I'm talking about, my friends. So of course the previous setup just didn't work, just like any other Forex strategy. Not all of them will always work. This one unfortunately has failed, and now a new candle, a new 1 hour candle has been born. Exactly, check this out, a new 1 hour candle has just been born, and as we can see, this price action is so much promising right now for the continuation in the bearish fall, especially after reversing from 38.2. So far everything seems to be running well. Fantastic. We are recovering the losses. I'm so grateful. Anyway, my friends, let me now please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. And we have officially recovered the losses. Close it right now, and we recovered the losses. I'm so grateful for that. I'm so grateful. That was good deal. I'm so happy with it. All right, so now we have made we recovered the losses. The account is still not 5,400. Let me now please pause the recording, and I will be back to you once I find the last trade. Alright, now let me just tell you what I have spotted right here on the EURUSDCHF. So right now, based on the 4-hour time frame, the EURUSDCHF is actually right now on a support zone. Now, according to my strategy, if the market is on a support zone based on the 4-hour time frame or even daily chart, that means that the market most likely is going to continue the rise, or actually we have to look for scalping trade for buying the market. So actually I'm a bit late. I don't want to miss this setup. Perfect. Let me just now please place the buy order, 1.3 lot size, and right now I'm done. Quickly place my stop loss quickly before anything happens. Oof, no way, too much. No. 150. Okay, we can risk 160. The account is 5,000. I'm just thinking loudly, guys. The account is 5,360. We can risk 160 in this trade. 160, targeting 150. Actually, even more. Let me just see. Okay. Okay, seems good. All right, so I'm a little bit nervous right now because I really don't want to lose this trade. Let me just tell you again. Now, based on the 4-hour time frame, we have here, of course, a good price action, which is right here. This inverted hammer. Once you see this candle appeared on a support zone, it's actually a good sign that the market right now is getting ready for the bullish reversal. We can find example if you wish to. Here, for example, it appeared actually on a support zone. The same candle has appeared right here, and as you can see, the next candle was a strong bullish one. We can see another one right here. This is the candle again, the inverted hammer. After appearing on a support level, the market just kept rising. So it's actually a trusted price action, which I really like a lot, and it rarely actually failing me. So I hope this is not going to be the time when it fails me on the live trading recording. Now, based on the 50-minute time frame, however, now we can notice here clearly that we are actually at the bottom of the real support at 0.945. And as you can see, this was, of course, the real level of a support, then a fake breakout. And right now, the market has just reversed exactly from the real level of a support right here. And here is the reversal happening right now. So, actually, I have to place my take profit level to be just right there. Why? Actually, I have to even reduce my stop loss, to be honest. Why? Because I have placed my trade right here at the nearest, actually on this level of a new support, and I should exit my trade at the nearest level of a resistance, which is right here exactly. So let's hope that the market will actually reach that level. I started to get nervous, and I hope we will not lose this trade. So let me please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later. Oh my god, so this was another stressful trade. I really thought it will lose, but right now finally we're running in a small profits. I want to get done with this trade, guys. I want to get done $40, and I'm done with it. Now the account is finally above $5,400. Even if it's gonna be in profit more, I don't care. I just really want to get out of it because it was really getting closer to my stop loss, and I was really getting nervous. So, again, my friends, I'm not really that big trader who actually trade thousands of dollars. I'm just a simple guy who make a living from my trades, and I'm so happy with the amount that I have made in this video. So, of course, I will continue trading, but just need to wait more time before I continue trading. I think we can wait another hour just to chill out and relax. No need to risk our money now to trade over and over. So, again, sorry for the long video, but I hope it was educational to you, and I hope you understand more about my trading, about my strategy, and how to handle the losses as well, and how you can find a very trusted and good setups. So until then, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.